Today's project is pretty special. I'm working with my cousin Tanner to try and help him golf again. About 3 years ago, he got into a motorcycle accident, which left him as a paraplegic amputee.
Basically a completely fused spine, paralyzed from the waist down, and then I'm missing my leg right here through my knee. No ligaments in my right knee except for a PCL that was put in last year and a bunch of other issues.
So the challenge we're working with is, because he has a fused spine, he can't rotate or bend his spine at all. And because of the paraplegic stuff, he has some issues with balance. And so hopefully this golf aid should take some of his weight and kind of keep him stable.
We might need to maybe trim just the right side, because that's how I get my wrist snap, since I can't twist. I'll take it.
So what we learned with using this thing is he doesn't really need the strap. Whenever he would adjust his feet, he would drag this thing behind him, and it was kind of another obstacle.
That's the first time I've bent my knee and been able to do a swing with a bent knee.
I want to cut in here and explain something really quick because it's amazing. Tanner can't feel the ground through his feet because he's paralyzed, and to bend his knee and trust that it won't give out is incredible. Dude, I felt that. You're dialed. Basically all he needed this for was to keep him from falling backwards. I was holding onto the back, keeping it steady. After this, I'll go ahead and make him up some stakes that he can pound into the ground to use this at the driving range and stuff for practice.
In my head, the way I look at it is like when people come out and they see me golfing, when I have pants on, they can't see the prosthetic or the wheelchair. I just look like your average terrible golfer with the weirdest stance someone's ever seen. But with this thing, you know something's messed up, but you see that going backwards? You see what I mean?
Yeah. But Tanner, you've accomplished a lot since the accident. You know, you started a business, you got married, you started to walk again, you started drag racing. What has been the most satisfying hurdle to get across?
It's a throw up between two things. Riding the dirt bike and then being able to golf actually out here with my dad the first time.
you want to check out Tanner's YouTube channel, you can click right here. And if you want to see some more videos of creative problems I've solved, you can click the playlist right here. See you guys.